Yeah, this is a controversial question, so let's take it. I read this question, but I wanted to answer this question in a video. So, Vishwanath Shivan Gutti. Vishwanath Shivan Gutti. Okay, bro, data engineering course I am getting for 7K and you are taking 22K for testing and for SQL data uh, with bare minimum whatever. Bara, he has 30 hours of free course for free. Okay, I don't know where is this coming. Okay, fine. Let me tell you. Okay, bro, data engineering course I'm getting for 7K. 7K, you're getting data engineering course. Please do data engineering and get into data engineering, bro. Because data engineering is not easy. Because I'm also learning, I am into data engineering. So data engineering not easy. 7K you're getting, even data science course, data engineering. So don't compare my course with somebody else. So my course, you're not just getting a content. Okay. My course is not just content. It is my guidance. Okay, my guidance, my doubt sessions, my individual time that I'm giving into each individual to crack offers. Okay, they're not just cracking one offer, they're cracking multiple offers, and that is how. And now I've reduced the price 22K. So okay, if the price is 22K, what I would suggest is you go to the course, remove the money back guarantee. So there is, so let me tell you. Okay, let's go to the course. Okay, let's go to the course. This is the course. You can see 17,000, right? So just remove this money back guarantee. I know I don't want money back guarantee. The course itself will become less than 15,000. Okay, so the course will become 14,000 change. And then I will always, every month there will be some or the other festival, and then that is how I release some or the other coupons. Okay, maybe in this, if you're watching this video, maybe in this year end there will be multiple coupons. So use that coupon and the course will come little less than 10,000. Okay, I'll give you an offer. Okay, so book a top mid session with me. So anyone who books a top mid session, or whoever is my top mid, who has taken guidance from me, I give them a special offer. So book a top mid session, and if you really feel the course fee is really high, okay, if the course fee is really high, but I want a commitment that you will crack offer within 30 days to 60 days. Within 60 days, maximum is within 60 days. If you are okay, I will guide you, I will personally guide you. And if you are ready to crack offer within 60 days, at least one offer. Okay, if you're ready to crack at least one offer, I'll give you a very high discount. Okay, and see, there is two challenge. One is within 3 months, if you get 100% hike, I'll give you 100% refund. And within 6 months, if you get 100% hike, I'll give you 50% off. You purchase the course and then take this challenge. So if within 3 months you get 100% hike from your current salary, I'll give you full refund of your course fee. And within 6 months, if you get 100% hike, 50% of your course fee I'll refund. So there is a referral bonus also. So you purchase the course. Okay, you purchase the course, and anyway, you get the content, you get the doubt sessions, you get my guidance, you get resume, get reviewed, you get your Naukri profile optimized, all this facility you get my personal guidance. Okay, one-on-one I'll guide you. And also, if you refer one of your friend, okay, you refer one of your friend. So all this feature is there. If you refer one of your friend, okay, then you get 2000 rupees into your bank account. You get 2000 rupees into your bank account. This is only when you refer, when your friend goes and purchases this course. There is no transaction, no individual transaction happening to me, but directly you go and purchase on the website. Okay, if they want, they can talk to me, I can clarify their doubts. That I can do. But when they purchase the course, suppose they purchase the course, you will get 2000 rupees into your bank account. So similarly, if you say refer, say I'll give you a discount, I'll make the course fee of 10K. Okay, and you refer 5 people, your course fee becomes 0. And also on top of that, if you get 100% hike, you get 100% hike, I'll give this 10K, I'll give you back again. So actually speaking, you can earn and you can earn also. It's not easy, I'm telling you, it's not easy at all. It's not easy at all to get 100% hike. My students are getting it. I am posting stories on my WhatsApp channel. Please check out. I keep posting whenever somebody gets 100% hike, 200% hike. There is an exclusive group for my students where I keep posting. People call me, they ask doubts, they ask hell lot of doubts. Uh, Even when documentation, verification, all these doubts also they ask. So this is where my time, I'm giving my time. It is not just the course. I'm giving my time, and that is why the course fee is high. And now with everything, Azure, GCP, Azure is there, GCP is there, then AWS is there. Then I've also added Databricks, and I'm planning to add Snowflake. So all these clouds are there, all these clouds with Airflow also, Airflow, MySQL, PostgreSQL. So many things are there in this course. You just get me a course similar to this at cheaper price. I'll give you the course for free. So there is no comparison, bro. Whenever you are comparing, I don't like comparison. You give me feedback, you give me constructive feedback. Your course has this problems. Check out the course. You check out whatever. You take my top mate session also. I take constructive feedback very nicely, because if you check out my top mate session also, I there would have been around 250 300 top mate sessions people would have booked, and around 70 to 80 people would have given feedbacks, and 99% of the feedbacks are positive. And some of the feedback I've seen, by mistake they gave me 1 or 2 star rating by mistake, because I personally get their phone number or email ID. I send them an email, I call them, why did you rate so less? And then they say it was by mistake that I gave this rating. I actually wanted to give 5. Okay. They confuse, like, one is you are the best, like I'm number one. So that way they would have given 1 star, but the actual meaning was 1 star is less and 5 star is the highest. So that way they could not relate, and that is why. And there have been some circumstance where I joined the top mate session late. There would, because obviously there will be a genuine reason why would I want to join the top mate session else late. And because of that, I would have given, I usually, if I do a mistake like this, I give them more time, 15 to 30 minutes. I will give it extra time from my side. Usually all top mates I give more than 15-20 minutes extra. If they book a 1 hour session, I would usually talk to them for 1 hour 50 minutes, 1 hour 30 minutes. And if they booked a 2 hour session, I will usually talk to them for 2.5 3 hours. Okay, so time I usually give. Sometimes I joined late and in hurry bhari they would have given the rating, and then I personally called them and then they said it was only that you joined late. And then I spoke to them. I asked them to send an email to topmate, and then they have changed their review also. Because I cannot call and tell topmate to change my review, but those who have booked it, they can change. So when they change, they send an email saying that it was by mistake. I would have given the rating. Okay. And sometimes there is an expectation mismatch, because they would have come to take guidance on data science or something else, but I am a data tester guide. Okay, ETL testing and data testing and little more data engineering I can give guidance. Okay, if somebody is coming with a false expectation in the first 5-10 minutes, if I understand, I usually cancel the session. I give them a refund. I'm not here for money, guys. I'm telling you frankly, I'm not here for money. Okay. For each referral you get 2K, but only when you join the course. Okay, and then within 3 months, if you get 100% hike, you get 100% refund of the course. And within 6 months, if you get 100% hike, then you get 50% refund. Okay, this is it. Okay, and my course also, I have doubt sessions. I personally give guidance, so that is why the course fee is high. And it's not that I want to, I don't know how to answer your question. I give course fee, which will make the course fee. Yes. What's up? There is a, there is a challenge. This is challenge one. Challenge two. You get 100% like in 6 months. Purchase the course. You will get. Okay. and I've also answered your question in a video. So I'll post this video and maybe that will help you. Okay. Okay. 1 month ago, difference between database, data lake, and data warehouse. Okay. So JSON would be a good addition to the library. Yeah. In this video, I have asked whether
if you achieve a 100% hike within 3 months, you'll get a full refund.